Yo, what's up? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today we're talking about my advice on the number one way for you to get started investing in real estate.
So all right, we are about to go check out a rental property, or actually it's probably gonna be a flip, and I want to talk about the evaluation. Me and my son peaked. Now, my son, he is he's autistic. We believe that he was his body rejected the injections that he got when he was a baby. We noticed a difference after he got injections. So if my son starts making some noises and things, that's just normal for him. But anyway, we're gonna go check out a rental or an investment property, and I'm gonna tell you the numbers on it. Then we're gonna take a look at it, and hopefully I motivate people to get excited about real estate and at least see that it's pretty much similar to what you see on all those HGTV shows and DIY channel, where they flip houses. I mean, that's what me and my team, that's what we do. So anyway, this house is in my zip code. I do a lot of properties in my zip code here in Ohio, and so I'm familiar with the prices of real estate in this zip code. So it makes me comfortable about investing in this area. So I know what the average prices are and that kind of thing. So in this particular case, we're going to check out a house. It's listed at 110. The average sales price of a house in this zip code is probably around $200,000. This house is a ranch, one level, three bedrooms, I want to say 2.5 bathrooms, and listed at 110. I did a little research on the neighborhood and the street that the house is on, and the houses on that street go from anywhere from 150 to about 180 or 190. So the goal is to get this house for right around what they're asking, because I don't want to lose it. I would bid lower if the market was a little slower, but the market's pretty hot. So I'm actually going to bid a little bit higher than that 110. And I'm going to make the house look like brand new. So I'll invest probably about 20 grand into the rehab and lay it out, granite countertops, brand new flooring everywhere throughout. We'll upgrade the bathrooms, the kitchen, and make it look like better than new, actually. And it's got a basement. It's a ranch, so people like ranches that have basements, and this one does have a basement, so I may even finish it as a part of that budget. So we're talking about 110 investment for the house, another 20 grand for the rehab. And when you sell a house, you got closing costs, so I'll say we'll probably pay about 10 grand in closing costs. So that would bring the price up to 130, or the investment up to 130. And the plan will be to sell it for about 170. And of course I'll list higher than that, but probably, I'll be happy if we negotiate and are able to close the deal right around 170. So that would be 30 grand in profit. So with those numbers, you can go up or down. Like with the rehab budget, it could go up a little bit if you find some surprises. The sales price could go down a little bit, but you got a good buffer in there to make some profit, anywhere from 20 grand to 30 grand off of about 2 months of rehab max, right? This house is not tore up real bad, so the rehab shouldn't take that long. This will probably be like, I don't know, the 35th or some, I don't even know how many properties we've done this far. rehab, but it's well over 30. So anyway, I'm gonna take a look at that with my son and my realtor, and then let you guys take a look at it as well. But you know, just some motivation for doing flips, because you can make money doing flips. And the other thing is, you know, let's say I bought it and I can't get what I want out of it for a flip, and I've invested 130 grand into it, which is more than I would invest for a rental. I'll just make it a high-end rental because it's going to be a high-end property. So with the real estate, you really, you know, you can't lose if you go in at get a property at a good price in a good location. And like I said, I'm familiar with this area. It's a good area. So we'll take a look. Check it out. So this is potential flip. Hopefully the landscaping scares the competition away. Got a garage door to do. Gonna redo some trim, exterior trim. There we go. You think it's in bad enough shape that we'll actually have a shot at it?
Well, it's unextended already.
Right, yeah, I saw somebody that fell through.
Yep.
So,
you got a bedroom up front.
Oh, yeah, it does look like a familiar floor plan. That's fun.
Probably make the bathroom a lot nicer than it is, just moving a tile.
Yep. So there's 2 bathrooms instead of 2.5.
Right.
Okay.
And, sometimes it's the same as a bedroom, sometimes it's set up as a office, but this one's set up as a bedroom, obviously.
It's got a closet in it. It's like an easy rehab. Kitchen.
You might want to replace. You get a drawer to replace. But you only got the 36-inch cabinets.
Yeah.
The newer version of this has 42s.
Yeah.
The cabinets are kind of, A's are not high-end cabinets. You might get away. Actually, what you might get away with is just changing the drawer fronts and doors, and leaving the actual cabinets themselves for the countertops. Hardwood floors. I'd only take the hardwood through this main area. So you're going to take it through the entrance. You're going to take it
Right. Yep.
right to the threshold. Tile in the bathroom.
Yep.
Hardwood through the kitchen, and hardwood through to here. But I keep carpet in the
bedroom.
in the bedroom.
So basically hardwood's everywhere except for the bedrooms.
Right.
And we got the linen closet. Got that paint job. I love it. Might get us a house.
Only a single on the vanity. But you got a soaking tub, and again you can make it really nice. You know, really nice.
Yeah. Oh, nice size closet. This is about the size of my closet. Cool. Let's hope the paint job gets us a good deal. Yeah, I was thinking bid 111.
I've got you at a 111 now.
Okay.
So we can run some tighter numbers if you want.
I think 111.
Deck needs to be repaired. Seriously.
Check out this deck. Nice size.
Watch this.
Oh! Pete, you stay inside. I don't want you running through that. Wait a minute, Pete. Don't lock us up.
Big deck.
Very big. Oh yeah. This is falling down over here. Yeah. I can handle that. Nice size deck. Make it look nice. This is a selling point.
Yeah, that's huge. If you made this look nice, there's a big one. Big one.
Cool. We'll go check out the basement now. Hey. So, checked out 2 properties actually. And they're HUD properties, so most of my properties that I've bought have been HUD properties. And I like HUD because you get with your realtor and you bid on the property, right? You say, okay, they're asking 110. Give it to your realtor and you say, hey, I want to bid 110 or 90 or whatever you want to bid. He writes up the bid and puts it in with HUD, and then the next business day they review the bids and they take the highest offer, or they tell you, hey, here's our counter, or they just don't accept your bid. So you know pretty quickly if you won the house or not. So we just checked out 2 HUD properties, and both of them are messed up enough to where my bids may work. I always get excited when I see a house that's in bad shape because it eliminates a lot of the consumer competition. A lot of investors might still bid on it, but I don't have a whole lot of investor competition either in this particular area. So I'm optimistic. Not guaranteed to win the properties, but I put in a good number that I'm comfortable with, where I can make a profit. And if I don't sell it, I can rent it and still, get some decent cash flow every month. So there you go. That's how you do it. One of these videos, I'll talk about how you get the money to do, investment property, because there's a lot of ways to do that. I'll talk about the way I do it. The way I do it is sort of like the old-fashioned way. I go to the bank and I have 20% of the money for the house, and then they give me 80%, and then I have a mortgage on the house until I sell it or until I pay it off. So that's basically what I do. A lot of other people get like hard money lenders and all that, other stuff, but there's a lot of interest charged, but those different like hard money lenders. Like on those flip shows, they talk about how much their carrying costs are. Like every day they lose a whole bunch of money and stuff. Well, with the traditional banks, the carrying costs are not that high. So that's why I like working with them. Plus, you get with some good local banks that are comfortable with the real estate market wherever you are, and it's easier to get the loans. But a lot of times the big banks, it's difficult to get the loans. So I don't work with any of the big banks for our investment property loans. So anyway, that's the lesson for the day. Checking out another flip. And once I get one of these flips, I'll start videotaping how we attack the rehab and how we, go through the process to get in the house sold. I've done it a bunch of times, and like I said, never lost. You make your money going in, like they say. It's true. Get the house at a price where you can't lose, and then you rehab it, and then you either flip it or you rent it out and make a profit. Holla. Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate, click the link below or just go to www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.